Hello students, I welcome each one of you to another video of RD English tutorial. In this video, we will learn adjectives through a games. So, do you love to play games, all of you? So, learning adjective is such fun. It's like a game. So, let's play a game. Suppose we have 20 number of students in our class. So, I have written all the names of the students in my classroom. There are 20 students in my class. Now, when we go to teach the adjectives, we can adopt one policy, that is learning the adjective through games. So that game is known as adjective game, as you can see here. Now, suppose we have 20 numbers of students in our class, and in that class, they will be learning 20 adjectives within a short period of time. Maybe within 5 to 10 minutes, they will be learning 20 numbers of adjectives. So, first of all, what we need to do, we have to ask the students to think about an adjective with the starting letter of their names. Now, before we play the games, we have to define what is an adjective, or we have to explain what an adjective. So, in simple language, an adjective is a describing word. It describes a noun or a pronoun. So, simply, to put it simply, we say adjective is a describing word. It describes a person, an object, a place, or any other thing. Maybe this is a marker. This is black and white in color. My shirt is purple. So these are some of the adjectives which is describing some of the things. Now, what we need to do here, we have to ask our students to think about an adjective with the beginning letter of their names. With the beginning letter of their names. Suppose our first student is Nabin. So Nabin will think an adjective which starts with N. Second student is S. Sunil. So Sunil will think of an adjective which starts with S. Now third student is Vipul. Vipul will think of an adjective to describe himself with the starting letter B. Now Faisal will also think of an adjective with the starting letter F that can describe his quality or character. So we should give them some time, say for example 2-3 minutes, to think about the favorite adjective or what defines them. Now let us start the game. Suppose all the students have thought the adjective with the first letter of their names. Now if we play the game like this, suppose Nabin will say he is nice Nabin. Nice Nabin. And Sunil will say what? At first he will tell Nabin's name as nice Nabin. Then Sunil will say smart Sunil. He will say smart Sunil. Then what people, the third student will say? He will say nice Nabin, smart Sunil, and brilliant people. Brilliant people. Brilliant people. Now what Faisal will say? He will start from Nabin, nice Nabin, smart Sunil, brilliant people, and funny Faisal. Funny Faisal. So already they have learned 4 adjectives: nice Nabin, smart Sunil, brilliant people, funny Faisal. Now Anita, what Anita will say? She will also start from the number 1, and in her name she will say active Anita. She will say active Anita. Then next is Sahil. Sahil will think another adjective rather than smart, because smart has already been used by Sunil. So he may call himself soft. So soft Sahil. Soft Sahil. Then what Rekha will do? Rekha will tell all the adjectives and the students' names that she will tell for herself right. Right Rekha. Right Rekha. Then what Ganesh will do? He will also think of an adjective starting with the letter G. For example, good, Ganesh. Now, what Mahesh will do, he will tell all the adjectives. Nice Naveen, smart Sunil, brilliant people, funny Faizul, active Anita, soft Sahil, right Rekha, good Ganesh, and mighty Mahesh. Mighty Mahesh. He will introduce himself as Mighty Mahesh. Our next student is Manav. So he will also think of an adjective with the starting letter M. So it can be mild Manav. Mild Manav. Now it is the turn for Ajay. What Ajay will say? He will start from nice Naveen, smart Sunil, and all the names he will tell. After that, he may say able Ajay. Able Ajay. Our next student is Jaya. So Jaya will think of an adjective with the beginning letter J. So it should be joyful or any other adjective. Joyful, Jaya. After Jaya, we have David. So what David will say? All the names he will mention. Nice, Naveen, smart, Sunil, brilliant people. All the adjectives along with the names he will pronounce. And after that, he may say divine David. Divine David. Next student is Sunita. Already we have many students with S. Maybe Sunil, Sahil. So Sunil, smart Sunil, then soft Sahil. So Sunita may say sweet Sunita. Sweet Sunita. Sweet Sunita. Our next student is Biren. Biren will also think of an adjective with the beginning letter B. So already people has used one adjective that is brilliant. Biren can use another adjective that is brave. B-R-A-V-E, brave. Now it is time for Chandana. C-H. So C is the beginning letter. So she would think of an adjective starting with C. So it can be charming Chandana. It can be charming Chandana. Now it is time for Isha. Isha will also pronounce all the adjectives and names. And when it will be her turn, she will say all the names. After that, she will say the starting letter I. So it will be intelligent or any other suitable adjective for her. So it is intelligent Isha. After that, it is time for Kushal. Kushal will pronounce all the names along with the adjectives, and he will tell for himself it is kind Kushal. Kind Kushal. Now 19 number, it is turn for Lisa. Lisa will think of an adjective starting with the letter L. So it might be loving Lisa. Loving Lisa. Our next person, the last number is Pallavi. So with the starting letter P, she might think of an adjective like pretty. P-R-E-T-T-Y. So like this, Pallavi will pronounce all the adjectives and nouns, adjectives and names, and like that she will have to mention all the 19 names before she introduces herself as Pretty Pallavi. So if we introduce this game in the class, the students will find it very interesting to learn adjectives with the help of the first letter of their names.